हेलो गाइस, आप सबका स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल रीडिंग विद आशीष गौतम में। आज हम पढ़ेंगे मेरी खुद की किताब कर्मा स्टोरीज, जो लिखी है मैंने यानी आशीष गौतम ने और मेरे फ्रेंड तानिया गोहर ने। चैप्टर 1, डॉक्टर एंड ओल्ड लेडी। स्टोरी 1, डॉक्टर एंड ओल्ड लेडी। This is a story of a doctor whose name is Ashish and an old lady. First, we should know little bit about both of them. A doctor name is Ashish is very generous man who worked in private hospital as a general doctor. He is very kind-hearted person who treat their patient as their children. He worked very hard day and night for provide good treatment to his patient. One great quality about him that when he see a poor patient in the hospital who can't pay their bills, he sometimes paid by theirself. Because of this great quality, half of his income going in charity. He also arranged monthly and sometimes weekly free camp in poor and underprivileged slums to treat them in nicely. In return, these poor people gave him good like treatment, God like treatment. People touched his feet to show respect toward him. On the one side, he got lot of good wishes to poor people. On the other hand, his own hospital doctor jealous about his fame. They said, "We have same qualification, we have same degree, but why only Dr. Ashish got all the fame?" Now we looked at old woman story. This old woman ran a dhaba which is near to roadside. She has no child in their life, but she loved the children especially and loved to make food for them. Regularly, lot of people came in his dhaba to eat in the food. Even lot of time, very poor and begar came in his dhaba to eat food. But they have no money to pay the old lady. Imagine yourself on this situation of old lady. What will you do if beggars and poor people came to you and asked food? You might give them 1 day, 2 day, or a week. But after that, you said, "I don't have food. Go and ask to other person." But this old lady is different. She has taken a vow that until my death come, I will give food to all people who enter my dhaba. Because of her this vow, she sometimes came in debt to feed too much poor people, but she never broken her vow. Surrounding people respect her lot, especially poor people. They said, "You are angel in this earth who feed poor people selflessly. We can't give you money. Can we do something for you? We can wash all utensils for you in return." But old lady said, "No need to do this. Just do my work. That pray for me to God that until I die, give me enough strength to feed all people who came to my dhaba." Now you're thinking about that. How can she does thing in her old days? Because she work alone in a whole dhaba, she made food to almost 300 people in whole day. There is no servant to help her in her work, and she feed poor people freely. From where she afford money for that? You will get answer in the last phase of story. Now we move back to Dr. Ashish. Dr. Ashish worked till late night for provide good treatment to even the last person who entered the hospital. One day, he worked till 12 o'clock to treat his patient. He didn't realize the time, so at 12 he left the hospital for home. But in midway, he found some gangster group who asked him to give his car, keys, wallet, phone. But doctor refused to do so. In fact, doctor fought with them, but gangster had weapon and they hit the doctor very badly. Doctor became unconscious for that time. Lot of people went from that road, but no one helped him. But suddenly that old lady who ran a dhaba saw one guy in pain, and that is doctor. She took him in his dhaba, where she called a doctor to treat him and give medicine. She looked after doctor as their child. She fed the food to him with her hand. After some time, doctor became get well soon and feel gratitude to his old lady and asked, "Can I do anything in return for you?" But this generous lady said, "No, my son, it's my duty to help you. I don't need anything from you." Doctor smiled and came back his home. After 5 months, one 10-year-old child came in Dr. Ashi's hospital in a very serious condition. Blood was coming out of his child. His father cried a lot in front of doctor, even touched his feet and said, "Doctor, please save my child." At the time, Dr. Ashish wore a mask, so child father couldn't show him. Doctor say, "Don't worry, we will do our best." After intense hard work and lot of treatment of child, finally child condition became normal. His father said thanks to doctor and show gratitude toward him. Doctor replied, "I know you are same man who beaten one doctor to just for stolen his purse and phone. Don't you think all the situation you face you deserve this?" Child father felt shame on his work and asked, "How do you know all this?" Then doctor removed his mask and said, "I'm a same man to whom you beaten it." That man cried after seeing his face and asked one question, "If I am not wrong, you recognize me when I came in hospital with my child. If you want it, you can refuse to treat my child." Doctor smiled and said, "If I did this work, what is the difference remain between you and me?" The doctor said, "If you truly felt shame on your work, I will give you one work. Can you do for this for me?" Child father said, "Of course, whatever you say I will do without ask any caution." Then doctor said that I give you one address of dhaba where you find a old lady who ran this dhaba. You should go there and feed the poor people with her freely and also take care that old lady. Child father said, "Doctor, don't worry. I will take care of her till my last breath." Now we again move to old lady topic. Remember in starting line I put a question from where old lady got strength to do such hard work in his stage of her life. Answer is that God provide her strength and courage to do this generous work because God never let alone generous people. Moral of the story is whatever you did in life, good or bad, you have to face consequences of your deed. How it come to you is and what situation it came to you. It decided by God as we saw in doctor and old lady case. If you like my audiobook of chapter 1, so please like, subscribe and share. अगर आप इसकी हिंदी में समरी पढ़ना चाहते हैं मैं ये ऑलरेडी डाल चुका हूँ, आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.